Welcome to Payfunnels. This video will show you how to create a booking link. Please go to the dashboard in the calendar section. Click on a date you want to schedule the meeting from the calendar and enter the title. Let's enter coaching in the title. Now add the description and choose the meeting duration you want to book. Here we will select 30 minutes. You can see the available timing showing as per the duration. Then, choose the time slot you want to schedule the booking. You can also select team members to create the same booking for them, and then select the location from Google Meet, Zoom, address, and custom meeting link. Let's select Google Meet and enter your guests' emails if you have, or you can leave it blank. Now choose the reminder duration. This will send a reminder email to the host and guests if you have one. Let's choose 30 minutes. Now click on Add to create the booking link. You will now see that the link is created. You can send this link with your customers to join the meeting. Thank you for watching the video.